Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we highlight Dahua's commitment to providing easy-to-use tools and features to simplify your maintenance tasks. This video is part of our 5E series, which showcases simplicity and ease through easy installation, easy connection, easy configuration, easy usage, and easy maintenance. You can visit the links below to watch the other videos of our 5E series. For the final installment of our 5E series, we're talking about easy maintenance. Let's start with our DSS Professional Maintenance Center. With our intuitive dashboard, you can easily monitor the overall health of your security system. Clear visualizations and flexible alert rules enable proactive measures to ensure optimal performance. Next, our Dahua device maintenance functions streamline complex maintenance tasks with an easy one-click diagnosis. Our security scanning feature provides real-time device security status, helping you adjust security settings for advanced safety. Additionally, the data export, run log, and packet capture functions facilitate gathering on-site information and identifying issues, as well as improving the efficiency of finding and solving technical problems. With Dahua Cloud Updates, updating firmware is effortless. You can easily update to the latest firmware without searching for it yourself, ensuring your devices are always up to date. Timely notifications and automatic checks for updates make sure your devices are at optimal performance with minimal effort. Our DoLynk Care platform offers continuous health monitoring for devices, making it easy to quickly detect and fix errors. With just one click, users can diagnose issues and efficiently troubleshoot them without the need for additional tools. The platform supports both the web portal and app, allowing users to address issues remotely without the need for additional tools. Both versions offer common functions like restarting devices and upgrading cloud programs. Finally, Dahua's support platform provides a wide range of resources and information to help users. We offer guidance materials such as instruction guides, solution documents, videos, a training center, and 24/7 technical support to assist you every step of the way. Our commitment to easy maintenance goes beyond our products. We strive to create a seamless experience overall. For more information about our products and solutions, you can visit the links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a smarter society and better living.